All right, so I'm going to go over some questions that are going to be on this quiz that you're going to take. So let's look at number one. It says, Mrs. Gibbons is making her favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. She will use 1/4 of her 12 eggs. How many eggs will Mrs. Gibbon use for the chocolate chip cookies? Well, the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have all 12 eggs. So I went ahead and I made sure that I had 12 eggs. If you look here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So those are my 12 eggs because it said she had to use 12 eggs. She's going to use 1/4 of those eggs. So what I needed to do was break my 12 eggs into groups of 4, which I'm sorry, not groups of 4, into 4 groups, which I did right here. This right here is group 1. This is 1/4. This right here is group 2. This is 2/4. This right here is group 3. This is 3/4. And this right here is group 4. This is 4/4. So I broke my 12 eggs into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because she's using 1/4 of the 12 eggs. Well, when I look here, if she's only going to use 1/4, I only need to look at group 1, and I need to see how many eggs are in group 1. Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So if she's using 1/4 of her total 12 eggs, that means that she is using 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Okay. Question 2 is very similar. Mrs. Gibbons makes peanut butter cookies. She uses 3/4 of a dozen eggs. There are 12 eggs in 1 dozen. So I wrote my 12 eggs out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got my 12 eggs. She's splitting them into fourths again. She's splitting them into fourths again. So I did that, right? I did that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. The only difference is in the problem above, she only used 1/4 of her eggs. So I only had to look at this first group. In this question, it says she's using 3/4 of her eggs. So I need to look at 3 groups, which I have highlighted right here for you. How many eggs are in these 3 groups? Okay. And you're doing something very similar for number 3.